How do you like spending your free time? First of all, of course, we feel like getting some sleep and playing with friends. But we also want to make the most of our time and learn something new. In our free time, we like going to the cinema, the theatre, and even travelling. Wherever we go, we should get ready in advance. These days we can book tickets beforehand by internet or by phone. It's very convenient. Our characters are on holiday now. Their parents decided to give them a lovely present, a play at a local theatre. The children are very happy. They saw a poster for a play and wanted to see it. But it's raining cats and dogs outside. They have an idea. There's a phone number on the poster. They will book their tickets by phone. How can they do that? We'll find out now. First, let's learn some new words and expressions that will help us. To book. A seat. A row. The orchestra stalls. The stalls. The gallery, or the balcony. The stage. In advance. Beforehand. Now let's find out how they can use these words in their speech. Hello, how can I help you? Good morning. I'd like to book a ticket for Romeo and Juliet on the 24th of October. I'm sorry, there are no tickets available on that date. Oh, what a pity. Are there any other dates? Yes, sure. There are some tickets left for a performance on the 1st of November. Great, that will do. May I book 4 tickets in the orchestra stalls? Yes, you may. There are seats available in the 4th row near the front, which cost £30 each, and some closer to the centre, £25 each. Which would you like? The ones near the centre, I think. 2 adults and 2 student tickets, please. That comes to a total of £90. How would you like to pay? May I pay by credit card? Certainly, sir. Just give me the number and the expiry date. 3959 3854 1104 9455. It expires this March. What name should I book them under? Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Done. Thank you. The play starts at 7 p.m. You may collect your tickets at the theatre before the play. Don't forget your student IDs and enjoy the show. Thank you very much. You can get your tickets by email or collect them from the ticket office before the play. Booking tickets by phone is easy. And let's try to book tickets on the phone for ourselves.